engage ng core. It's like you're pulling your navel in towards the mat. So parang may kinakrush kayo sa likod. So pag pinull nyo your navel towards the mat, it's okay if I hold you po. Para ma-feel nyo maninigas yung tiyan. Okay? And then, when we inhale, we will come back to bending position. So bend your knees. Bend your knees, inhale. And then you always exhale on the effort. So exhale, push, extend. Lock your knees. And then inhale back. Nice. Continue po. Okay, nice. With control, exhale, extend. Okay, lock your knees when you extend and then come back in. Okay, make sure that your heels are up all throughout the exercise. So imagine you're wearing high heels sa buong exercise. Alright. And then down. And then up. Okay, when you exhale, it's like you're blowing a birthday candle. And then inhale through your nose down. Exhale. Nice. And then down. Exhale, push. Inhale down. Nice, nice control. Last three here. Okay, focus on your breath, engage your core when you extend your legs. Extend, engage, and then bend. Inhale. Okay, last two. Extend, engage, and then bend. And then last one po. Extend and hold for 5. Extend po. And then hold, high heels up. Okay, not bending your knees. Knees straight, heels up, nice. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Staying in that position. Imagine that I'm pulling your heels towards the mirror. So heels down. Okay, not bending your knees. Heels down more hanggang sa maximum nyo po. Nice. And feel the stretch in your calves and heels up naman ulit. High heels up. Nice. And heels down. Okay, heels up. And down. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Nice. Exhale down. Last 5.
Nangalay na ako.
Inhale up. Exhale down. And last 4. Up and down. Last 3. Up and down. Last 2. Up and down. And then last 1 up. And then hold for 5. Heels up po. 3, 2, 1. And then slowly bend your knees towards the foot bar. Kamusta po?
Good. Ako nga eh. Ako good.
Stretch po siya sa hamstrings, sa likod ng legs, tsaka sa calves. Okay, so yung lalim na nararamdaman yung normal naman po yun since starting pa lang tayo eh. So nag-a-adjust pa yung muscles natin. Okay, next exercise naman po. Toes on the foot bar pa rin in the middle. Okay, and then extend your legs po. Okay, extend. Okay, so kung kanina nag-high heels, low heels tayo, ngayon we'll still do the same pero alternate foot. So high heels on the right. There, bending your knees, high heels on the right. Yan. And then switch. Okay, alternate.
Wait lang. Bigay ko lang natin. Ngayon dito po.
Nag-a-adjust po.
Nagdadala ko sa line. Wala ko exercise sa Sige, tayo.
Continue po.
Relax na ako.
Yan. So, feet together and then swipe your hips from right to left. May nararamdaman po bang sakit sa lower back or wala naman po?
Wala. Ba? Hindi to.
Ay, saan po? Sa... okay.
Normal yun.
Yes. Okay, now, I would like you to place the balls of the foot on the foot bar. So, ang balls of the foot natin, kung ito yung toes, yung sunod. So, ito po. Yan. Okay, and then heels together. Okay, so wide a bit more sa letter B. Okay, there. Okay? So, sa buong exercise po natin, naka-letter B po yung feet. So, balls of the foot on the foot bar, a little bit wide apart. And then, heels together, wide pa po. There, and then heels together. Down po ng konti. There. Okay? Yung knees po natin, pointing outwards talaga siya. Okay? Kasabay po ng toes na pointing outwards din. Alright? Then slowly extend your legs. Okay? Straighten your knees. Mapapansin natin that the knees will be coming together. Okay? And then bend again. Knees are apart. Okay, nice. And then extend, exhale. And then inhale, bend. Nice. Extend. Okay, and back, inhale. And extend. And then back, inhale. Nice. Last 5. Up, extend. And then back, inhale. Okay, don't forget to engage your core when you extend. Okay. And then slowly back down. Last 2 here po. Extend up. And then slowly bend. And then last one, extend. And then hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come down, midway only para gumagawa ng squat. So bend your knees a little bit. Okay, and hold this position. Okay, hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then go up and down, like doing a squat pose. Nice. Okay, last 5, 4, 3, 2, and then last one before you fully bend your knees down. Okay, kamusta po?
Sarap.
You can do windshields po or you can hug your knees. Okay. Now, last footwork po, I would like you to place your heels on the foot bar. So, each edge of the foot bar po. So, on the left and on the right. There. And then your knees po will be opening apart. So, para tayo nasa giving birth position. Okay? Nice. Okay, and then slowly extend your legs. Make sure that your toes po are pointing the ceiling. So, neutral lang siya. Okay, relax your toes. There. Nice. Okay, and then bend. Inhale. Okay, exhale. Okay, when you exhale, engage your core. Lock your knees. And then inhale back in. Okay, last 7. Okay, feel your movement. Nice and slow. No need to rush. Okay, extend. Okay. And inhale, come back in. red po ha, na spring. Around LB lang din po kayo.
Pila.
Ah, sa pila. Tumayo po kayo dito.
Oo.
Saan po kayo sa pila? Sa may malapit sa church? Or...
Malapit sa church.
Alright po, so feet on the foot bar again. Close your feet together, toes on the foot bar. And then extend your legs. Okay, yan. Tapos magaan po kayo ngayon sa springs. Okay? Put your right knee towards your chest. Okay, right towards your chest. Tapos may strap po tayo sa kanan, sa may shoulder rest. Yan. Okay, kukunin natin yung long strap. Okay. Okay, tapos i-hook po natin yung long strap sa foot, sa gitna. Yan. Okay.
Nasaan to? Coach.
Ito po. And then, hook po natin sa gitna. Gamitin niyo po yung right foot niyo para may hook niyo po yung left. So, tension lang po. Bend your knee. Okay, and then, let's hook also this other leg. So,
Sa other.
yes po. Strap. Yan.
Uy.
Okay, sige po, i-ano po, angat niyo po. Tapos gamitin niyo po ito as resistance. Push po kayo down with this right.
Push down.
Okay, yan. Okay po, ang starting position natin is tabletop. So bend your knees. Okay, like this. Okay, not too backwards. Forward po ng konti.
Uy.
Oops, careful. Yan. Tapos, lift your feet up. Yan po yung tabletop position. Okay, point your toes towards the mirror. Nice. Okay, a little bit forward po. Yan. Okay, a little bit more. Yan. So, tabletop position natin yan. Okay, so from tabletop, extend your legs to 45 degrees. Nice. Okay, extend pa po. Yan. Lock your knees and then back to tabletop. Yan. Kamusta? Okay naman? And then 45. And then tabletop. And then 45. And then tabletop. And then 45. Alam, makaburn natin yung ininom niyo po, ma'am. And then tabletop. And then 45. Exhale as you extend. Inhale as you come back in. Yan. And then extend. Inhale back in. Nice. Last 5. Push forward. And then back. Tabletop. Okay. Push forward. And then back into tabletop. And then push forward. Nice. Back into tabletop. Last 2. Push forward. And back into tabletop. And then last one. Push forward and hold. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay in that position. Okay. Head up like you're doing a crunch. So head up. Head up. There. And then hands forward. Lift off the bed. And then hold. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Head down. Palms down. Bend your knees into tabletop. And then slowly hug your knees. Okay, kumusta? Okay, inhale and exhale. Okay, legs now po is up to 90 degrees. So, lift natin. Okay, point your toes towards the ceiling. Nice. Okay, and then slowly press down to 45. Nice. And then back up Engage your core. And then down. Exhale. And then up. Last two. And then down. Okay, and then up. Last one. And then down. And then hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This time, open your legs wide as you can only. Okay, feel the stretch and close. Okay, open. Nice. And close. Okay, open. And close. Last 3. Open. Exhale. And close. Inhale. Exhale. Open. And inhale. Last one. Open. And then hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Close. Okay, knees towards your chest. And then hug your knees. Kamusta?
Medyo nag-shake ako dun sa one.
Yeah. Sa ano naman po yun? Outer and inner thighs. So, kung mararamdaman niyo yung stretch sa may groin, pababa. Or dito sa labas.
Dito sa
Outer
side.
thighs. Opo.
Can I take a rest?
Yeah, sure po. If you want to drink water, you can din po. So, unhook one strap po muna. And then place your foot on the foot bar before unhooking the other. Yeah. Okay, kayo po. Continue tayo. Okay, inhale, exhale. Okay, starting position naman tayo is 90 degrees po. Okay? So, kapag 90 degrees po tayo, make sure po that a little bit forward. Okay? Kasi umaangat po yung lower back ninyo. So, mas maganda if mas may resistance ng konti. Okay? Para kapag nag-open and close tayo ng legs, hindi sasakit yung lower back po ninyo. Okay? So, open po tayo into letter V. Yan. Okay? Yan po yung maximum nyo. Okay. Hanggang maximum po. Tapos hold po kayo dito sa straps. Tapos try nyo po i-pull. Okay. And then back. And then pull. Okay. And then back. Rest. And then pull. Okay. And back. Flexible. And pull. Last one. Okay. For 5.
Ang sorry ba?
4. Okay po. 3, 2, 1. And then release back to letter V, normal. And then close. Okay? You can release your hands po. And then now open and close naman po tayo up in the air. So open and close. Okay? Open. Okay. And close. Alright. Open. And close. Last 4. Open. And close. Okay lang po kayo. And open. And close. Last 2. Open. And close. And last one. Open. And hold. Hold. Open. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and close. And then knees towards your chest. And then hug your knees. Kamusta po?
Masarap siya.
Sa legs po, sa thighs. Okay, inhale and exhale. Okay, so tatanggalin po muna natin yung left. So, tanggal po natin yung left strap. Tapos, place your left foot on the foot bar. And then, remove na din po yung right. Okay? Proceed na tayo sa hands and straps.
Saan po?
Sa hands and straps po. So, itong short naman po yung gagamitin natin.
Basta may isa po. Nawala ako. Nahulog na siya. Sorry.
Okay lang po. long strap ay wala sa wrist natin.
Ayun, wala.
Kunin mo.
Bakit tapos yung bawal gamitin coach itong
Ay, wait lang po.
mga straps? Saan siya dapat nire-rest?
Ibabalik po natin siya sa loob ng shoulder rest, pero yung long strap yung gagamitin natin pang kung saan. Hindi po kasi kasha yung short. Okay, place your arms up. Fingertips pointing towards the ceiling. Nice. Okay, make sure po na pantay ang shoulders sa elbows, tsaka hands sa elbows. Okay? Okay, now sa legs po, starting position is tabletop. Okay, so tabletop po, release your feet from the foot bar. Okay, up, 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 up. Okay, release po your feet. Okay, there. Tapos bend your knees. Yan po ang tabletop position natin. Okay, point your toes towards the foot bar. Okay, nice. Okay, feet up. Feet up po. Feet up. Okay, yan. Okay po. So we will press down towards the bed with your hands. Press down. Nice. Make sure that your wrists are straight, not bending. Okay? Down pa po. Kaya. Nice. And then back up. Okay. And then down. Exhale. And then up. Make sure po yung tabletop natin hindi nawawala. So a bit forward. Yeah. Okay. And back up. And then down. Okay. And then up. Nice. And back. Okay. Continue. Last 5. And up. And down. Exhale. Press po muna kayo, Miss Joy. And up. Last 3. And up. Last 2. And up. Okay, sa paggawa po ng last one, sabay po natin yung ulo. Pababa. Okay. Press. Nice. And then hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tapos pulse po tayo. Up and down with the arms for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest your head down. Then feet on the foot bar. Then release yung tension sa arms. Okay, kamusta po?
Sarap siya.
Sa core po siya ngayon. Kaya po, Miss Joy, pahinga po muna kayo.
Sarap siya. Nakakainom mo na galaw.
Opo.
Nag-inom kasi din kagabi.
Baka po, sayang, nag-isukan niyo po sa
Kaya may high blood din kasi ako. Tama ko na sa akin.
Sana.
Ayoko naman pilitin. Mamaya.
Opo, baka maano niyo po eh.
Kaya mo na
You can sit down naman po sa or kung ano po yung mas comfortable para sa inyo.
Nakikita ko sa video na Angel, sinabi ko ano din na gano'n.
Okay po, hands up again. Okay, this time po, tabletop ang start pa rin. Okay, this time po, okay, this is our starting position po. Okay, sabay naman yung legs sa arms. So, pag press niyo po down, okay, press down with your arms. Sabay naman po yung legs, press, down. Okay, so press again. Okay, tapos extend niyo po yung legs. Yan, sabay.
Sabay.
Okay, so baba pa po yung arms. Yan. Tapos, up with your arms, back to tabletop din po yung legs. Okay? Try niyo po. Yan. Point your toes towards the mirror.
Pero
Yan.
hindi dapat ako mag-rest doon.
Hindi po.
So dapat naka-float.
Yes. And then up. Tabletop also with your legs.
Sorry.
And then press. Nice. And then up. And then exhale. Press, extend. And then inhale up. Nice. And down. Sabay. Don't forget to exhale. Engage your core. And then up. Nice. Okay. And press. Okay. your toes and up. Last two. Press. And up. And then last one, press. Extend and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then slowly up. Okay. Rest po. Okay, kamusta?
Nagsishake ang aking legs, pero okay.
Yes, normal naman po yun. Ibig sabihin lang yung fiber nyo sa muscle is nag-gather po siya para masana yung muscles nyo sa movement. Okay? Same placements pa rin po sa hands. This time naman po, your elbows will be on the bed. Okay? Near to your sides po. So there. Okay? Only the forearms will be moving po. So forward a bit. Okay? Yan. Tabletop position with the legs. Okay, point your toes towards the mirror. Okay, and then slowly press down. Okay, and then up. Forearms only. And then down. Yan. And then up. Okay, make sure po yung elbows are on the bed. And then down. Okay, and then up. Igaling po yung elbows up. Yan. And then up, down, and then up. Okay? Yan. Alright. Down, last 5. And then up. Exhale, down. And then up. Exhale, down. And then up. Last 3. Down. And up. And down, last 2, and up, and then last 1, down, and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Staying in that position, extend your legs to 45 degrees, okay, and then back to tabletop. Okay. Nag-rest now. Okay.
Nag-rest.
Inhale, exhale.
Nag-rest na ako.
Nahihilo talaga ako magalaw.
Balik natulog dyan pala siya.
Ganun ko na feeling.
Inhale, exhale.
Yung
Kamusta
ako
po?
yung coach.
Okay po, inom po muna kayo.
Ilang years ko lang stretching na yun.
Wala naman po kayong vertigo. Not po, hindi po kayo umiinom kung high-blood po kayo.
Diba?
Wala naman po sumasakit sa inyo. Okay.
Yung chan ko lang pag nagalaw talaga para sa gumagalaw.
Sumasabay sa movement.
Oo, hilo.
So yung, bakit hindi pa nakasumasabi sa India? Pagka po yung private session,
Dalawa-dalawa lang talaga.
Meron po mga private sessions, depende po sa gusto niyo. Ilan po ba dapat kayo?
apat kami dapat.
Okay. Pwede niyo naman po i-request yun sa admin na pwede po private session pero apat po kami. Para po aware siya na magkakasama pala kayo. Or nagsabi po ba kayo na
Remote sa kapal po siya.
okay. Depende po kasi siya sa kung apat kayo or lima, meron po tayong 5, 4, 3, 2.
Ang Pilates mostly dito talaga sa machine na to.
Opo. Pero meron din po tayo dito. Kapag more advanced classes na po, yung Cadillac,
Ayan.
yung may inversions na po.
Gusto ko siya.
Opo, kasi babaliktad ka talaga.
No?
Doon po. Opo. Ito naman tower, half tower po ito. May inversions po din po dito. Pero more on yung half body or pwede din po full body. Pero more on advanced classes naman po kapag may inversions. Meron naman tayong tower foundation. Parang ganito din po for beginners. Pero tower naman.
Coach.
Okay na po.
Ano po na in charge?
From pila din po yung next na susunod.
Pag nag-gym, makikita ako dito.
Ang next naman po is hands and straps pa rin. Okay po, make sure po that your elbows are on the bed naman ulit. Okay, extend naman po yung legs sa 45. Okay po. Don't put your feet po on the foot bar. I-release po natin yung feet. Okay, up. And then 45 degrees po. Yan. Point your toes po. Yan. Okay? So, when you press down, tsaka naman po siya mag-45.
Or nakagas ako.
Hindi po.
Hindi dapat.
Palutang siya. Yes. Okay, so press po, tapos back to tabletop.
Apa.
Okay, para baliktad naman siya ngayon. And then back, up, and press. Okay. And then press, tabletop. Nice. And then release. Over. Yan.
Naiindig ako.
Continue, last 5. Okay, so 4 naman po yan. Okay, down with your legs. And down with your arms.
Normal ba nanginig?
Yes po. Last 3. Okay, and up. Last 2. Konti na lang. And then last 1. Extend and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, and 1. Rest na po with your legs. Okay. Nanginginig po talaga siya kasi parang first time po, di ba? So, yung core ninyo, nagsistrengthen pa lang. Okay, usually po, kasi if your core is weak or meron po tayong nagagawang hindi sanay yung katawan, nag-a-adapt pa yung muscles natin. So, kailangan niyang mag-shake muna bago niya ma-familiarize yung sarili niya sa movement. So, it's called the Pilates shake. Normal naman po yun. Kahit manood po kayo sa IG, lahat po kahit mga veterans na, nag-shake pa rin sila. It's normal naman. Okay, so put your straps back on the shoulder rest po. Ibang position naman tayo sa bed. Okay, and then go on your sides po muna before changing your position, and then sit on the bed. Yan. Okay, adjust ko po yung spring nyo into 1.
Diba sabi mo si Jessica, tulog na lang.
Okay, and then ang next po natin, you will be sitting down facing towards the mirror po. So yung back ninyo nandito po. And then yung sitting position nyo po is cross sitting position. So parang Indian seat. Okay, nice. Okay, and then make sure po your spine is straight. Sit tall. Okay? Yung chin po ninyo hindi masyadong naka-out. So dapat neutral lang. Okay? And then we will grab the straps naman po here. And then place it in your palms. So ang starting position natin po is letter T.
Letter?
T. Yan. Okay po. So dapat po pantay ang shoulders sa elbows. A little bit forward. Yan. So ito yung starting position natin. Dapat magkakapantay po sila. Change ko po muna yung springs.
Yan, nakaupo na.
Yoga class po sila. Okay, and open your arms. It's like you're surrendering to the mirror. Okay, forward po ako ng konti. Forward po ako. Yan. So, dapat pantay po ang shoulders, elbows, sa hands. Hands open on facing towards the mirror. Okay? So, starting position, clap. And then release slowly. And then clap. And then release. And clap. Nice. And release.
lagi ako nag-shake doon.
Okay lang po. Ibig sabihin po niyo medyo weak po yung core ninyo. So, need nyo po na more workout for the core. Kayo po, kamusta po kayo?
Wala akong shape.
Oh.
Wala akong shape.
Ang strong naman. Okay, next po natin is starting position like this. Elbows on the sides. Okay, and then forward like we're offering. Okay, and then back down. And then forward. Nice. Don't forget to inhale, come back. And exhale. Okay, make sure that your spine is straight, so sit tall, and then back. Nice, and extend. And then back. Last 5, extend. Okay, and then back. Last 4. Alright, back. Last 3. Okay, back. Last 2. And back. And then last 1. And hold. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Still holding that position. Open. And close. Okay, open. And close. Open. Last 3. And close. Okay. Last 2. Open. Sit tall. Okay. And last 1. Open. And close. And hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last variation. Still holding. Up. And down. Okay. Up. And down. Last 2. Up. And down. And then last 1. Up. And down. And then relax.
Oh, matagal na sila.
Inhale and
Sumuha ka na. Baka sakit ako. Sumuha ka na.
Hindi, hindi lang.
Sige lang po. Wala namang po sumakit sa inyo?
Wala po.
Okay.
Okay lang po yan yung akin na yan.
Ano ba ito? Ano ba?
Ito po sila.
Plus, allow you know. Sabagay ko sa Paris naman na siya, hindi na makakaulit.
Ah, from other country po siya?
Sa Japan siya.
Okay. Okay po, ang last exercise natin po sa same na straps is naka-forward po. Okay, like this. Okay, and then up. Yan. Okay, and
Ayan,
down.
shake na naman ako.
Okay, and up. Last 6. And down. And up. Nanibago po yung core ninyo. And down.
Kasi actually, hindi ko talaga siya ine-exercise masyado kasi nagawa nung operation ko. Kasi na-CS din ako before, pero mga 11 years ago na yun.
Okay.
Tapos I had miscarriage 2020. Tapos, neto lang, last year nga, natanggal na ko ng matres. So, like the difference, is nung unang hala ko, same lang naman yung CS. Kasi kung mag-operahan ka lang. Pero hindi, mas masakit siya actually compared yung na-CS ako. Kaya sabi ko, medyo nag-ingat ako.
Last 2. Okay. Pero for post-op naman, malakas naman po kayo compared sa iba talaga na wala.
Kaya ko, ramdam na ramdam ko yung shake.
And last one po, and rest. And then rest. You can put back the straps po sa shoulder rest. Okay, post-op po kayo, wala naman pong pain kapag nag-shake.
Wala po. Ano lang siya lang, shake lang, pero wala siya. Kumaga okay naman na.
Nung first ko pong mag-pilates, 2 months postpartum po ako, talagang weak talaga yung core. So parang ganun lang din po yung mangyayari kasi since naging sedentary po kayo, so walang exercise, talagang maninibago po muna yung katawan ninyo bago kayo mag-strengthen ulit. Kasi parang back to zero po yan eh, lalo na nagpatanggal po kayo ng mattress. So parang yung laman nyo po ay nag-a-adjust pa. So parang di ba po parang feel nyo maluwag sa loob.
Kaya so, di ba yung parang hug your knees, hindi ako mag-ano nila ko, windshield na lang.
Usually gano'n naman po talaga, kailangan lang ng adjustment. Tapos pag consistent naman po kayo sa Pilates, mararamdaman po yung difference. Kasi ang Pilates po, more on core talaga siya. Kahit anong exercise, hands man yan, legs man yan, lahat po ng exercises natin kailangan ng core. So, ang core kasi natin is the middle of our, the center of our balance. So, kapag nakatayo tayo, hindi natin namamalayan core yung kailangan natin para makatayo tayo ng straight head. So, ganun lang din po sa exercises. Kahit anong classic exercise, basta on the reformer po, core ang kailangan natin. So, kapag nag-continue po kayo, kahit foundation flow lang yan, reset and align, or tsaka na po kayo mag-move on to full body kasi i-prepare niyo po muna yung katawan ninyo. So, at least 3 to 5 sessions po ng foundation flow or reset and align para maramdaman niyo na po yung difference na, kaya ko na. Ayun po. So, okay lang po yan, normal lang po yun.
Pero so far, okay na kaya yung po.
Yes. Okay po, so slowly move on tayo sa pull down exercises. I-add ko po ito. Okay, and then release ko po ito. Okay, tapos one leg out on each side po. Okay, close naman po tayo sa edge ng mat. So, dito po tayo pande. Po. Okay, then hands on the foot bar. Tapos gamitin niyo po yung hips niyo to push away. Okay, so press down, chest towards the spring, tapos i-open natin yung carriage. So push. Okay, yan. And then straighten your elbows, and then down po with your chest. So parang magbe-bend down tayo. Okay, and then down more po. Yan. To your maximum po. Lower. Lower. Masarap yan sa back. Okay, hanggang saan niyo po kaya. Yan. Hold this for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly round your back. Okay, one more po tayo before ending. Okay, and down. Okay, and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then round your back.
Masarap ko sa hips. Pwede isa pa, coach?
Sige po. Sure. 8 seconds yung hold natin para mas matagal. Okay, one more. Exhale, and then breathe. Okay, for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly rounding your back. Kamusta po? Okay. Masarap nag-open po kasi yung hip flexors natin. So yung bones natin sa pelvis, kanina, di ba, more on tight kasi naka-close lang tayo. Ngayon naka-open tayo, kaya nagsa-stretch din po siya.
Oo, sarap naman.
Okay? Okay, so last stretch na po natin. Toes on the foot bar po, parehas. Pero same sitting position pa rin. Slowly extend your legs. Straighten your knees. Tapos, try niyo po abutin yung malaking toe niyo gamit yung kamay.
I mean, both.
Yes po.
Both?
Yeah. And hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then bend your knees. Okay po, we're done for our session. Congratulations!
Thank
Okay, you can,
you.
from the sides na lang po para mas, okay.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Isa, wala na.
Okay lang po ba mag-picture tayo before we end? Yun na po nakapag-pull down si Miss Joy.
Wala. Wala, ano na yan. Hindi na siya makaka-cool down talaga. At may hangover. Nag-inom.
So, nag-vacation lang po pala siya.
Oo. Christmas vacation.
So, mag-sisters mo pa kayo? Picture na lang po siguro. Okay lang sa bawah.
Jessica, patawag nga si Kayla. Dahil picture lang. Oo,
Gusto mo, pabalik ka? Ikaw na lang.
Aalis na din po pala kayo, Miss Joy.
Sabi ko, okay lang siya kasi siya pass na.
Vacation lang.
Kahit hindi ako na-stretch talaga. Gusto ko mag-zumba, pero ganun din. May hangover. Bawal talaga pala pag ganito pag nag-inom.
Opo.
Bawal pala may hangover.
I'll mag-picture po. Okay na po i-post ito sa social media natin?
Okay po, sure.
Social media daw niya, Instagram. Not medyo prepared.
Tapos may image mo.
Hindi okay na yun.
Timer ko lang po ng 5 seconds. Okay. Alright, thank you so much po.
Thank you, Dorothy. Sorry,
It's okay po.
Ay, grabe.
At least na-experience nyo na po.
Oo, ganun pala siya. Hindi ko kasi, wala akong idea talaga.
First time mo po talaga siya.
Nakita ko lang sila. Gusto ko yan. Sige, ako din.
Sabi sa kapatid ko kasi gusto ko yung gym.
Oo, siya.
Nakikita ko
Ako
yung
gaya-gaya.
Parang ang sarap niya. Sabi niya, sige na, i-try mo rin. Dapat next week pa. Hindi, nagilong ko na parang
Okay po,
Thank
thank
you
you
po.
po. Don't forget your phone po.
Abay, oo nga pala yung phone. Nagre-record pa pa.